Hi everyone, welcome to Beth's Best Hair. I'm so happy that you're joining me today. I am going to review a brand new style from Paula Young for you, and you may have seen it in my haul video, and it's Presley. She is in the color SN8 26 number 4. That's Toffee Bar. Some of you saw her in my haul video. I'll link that over here. She was just so cute, but I wanted to do a proper review so that you guys could see. She's kind of a longer shag, modern shag cut, I would say. On my head, I am wearing the Long and Layered from the Synergy collection. This is in Chocolate Copper Melt. I'll include the link over here. I did the color comparison of all 5 colors of this pretty style. It's just such a nice, easy style. Really just kind of shake and go style. Okay, so she has a basic cap. We have our soft felt front. You have permatease here on that lace part. All open wefting. We have our open ear tab with the bendy metal stay. You will note too, there are little hairs sewn on the inside of that for extra coverage. This one does not have an extended nape. We do have those Velcro closures. You can adjust 1 inch in either direction. A good amount of stretch to her cap. Alright, so I want to go ahead and put up her catalog photo here so that we can compare. Presley measures 8.5 inches at the front, 9 3/4 inches at the top and crown, 9.5 inch sides, 6.5 inch upper back, 9 inch nape, and she weighs 3.8 ounces. Alright, so before I do any messing with her, I just wanted to talk about this color. This is a Paula Young exclusive color, and it is very limited. I don't know if it's in other styles. So the color code on this one is S826 number 4. So number 4 is your dark brown root. So you can see that there with the crisscross part. Number 8 is a medium golden brown. And number 26 is a medium golden blonde. So you can see those golden blonde chunky highlights mixed with that medium brown. So this is a very warm color. Everything is golden. I think it's beautiful. And as far as the cap goes, the cap fits me well. I didn't do any extra adjusting. I'm 22.5 inches around, and this is my bio hair here. I didn't pull anything out because I just want to show you, if you don't have any hair, my hairline is here, but the ear tabs land right here, so they land in a good spot. It feels good. There is the permatease up here. There's also permatease at the nape. And remember, this doesn't have the extended nape. I'm actually feeling, now that I'm digging, I'm feeling permatease everywhere. I'm gonna go ahead and just spritz her with a little bit of water and try to activate this permatease. So I'm gonna mess her up. So I'm spritzing with water, and then I really get in there and I dig with my fingernails at that permatease. I flip the hair over on every side. I'm really trying to wake up these fibers. Remember, we don't know how long these have been sitting in the box, so it's important to really wake up your fibers. Now I'm working on establishing my part
just use the end of your rat tail comb and just put the part where you want it. So off camera, I let my hair dry after spritzing with water, and now I'm just using that Wig Wax Spray to try to piece out those layers a little bit and get it in the style that I want. Because I moved the part, I'm having a little bit of trouble with the bangs. So I'll just add a little bit of my own back combing and spritz with a little spray to get that to stay. What do you think?
All right, so being honest with you guys, it took a lot of manipulating. There's plenty of permatease in this style to get volume, but the layers are longer layers around my face, and I was having trouble with this just kind of wanting to flop in my face and not stay over. So I do think if you want to really accentuate the style and flick out the layers, that you will have to use product with this one. I think it's super cute and I don't mind doing that. I have the Trust Tech Wig Wax. You can use your Paula Young hairspray, which has a little bit of a stronger hold than the Brandywine hairspray. But the wig wax is very light. So it's not sticky at all, and it really, I find it doesn't really hold, but it's kind of nice to use a little bit when you're just trying to get some texture to get your style going. Is this gonna hold your style? No, but I do think it has a place in the wig world, especially on a style like this where you have these flicked out ends. But I love the style. I love the kind of rock vibe of this long shag, and these layers, and the colors in here are really, really pretty. So I do think that she will be a super cute work style. I think it's a nice length for work. I really do like the flicked out razored layers. So now that I got her the way I want her, I just want to go ahead and show you guys a few styles. So if you want to see that, stay tuned.
I thought my little flower headband would be cute. And I really do like that look. She pulls off the face nicely. And let's try a little ponytail. So she has enough length to be able to do a little ponytail. Just tug it at the ends, and that looks cute. Now I'll pull half of it up on top, twist it, and then secure with a claw clip. You can really see the dimension of the color and the rooting when you put it up. I think that looks so cute. So let's add to this and twist the rest of the hair up and secure with a big claw clip. Try to grab a weft when you're doing that, just to make sure everything holds. Tug down, fluff up. That is cute. I love that color. I think I've said that a few times. All right, so now let's just try to make her look a little bit sleeker if you wanted to wear her down, but maybe didn't want so much poof. And then, of course, I add a little more poof, but that's cute. Sunglasses go in super easy on this style. And let's try a hat. When I go to my grandson's ball games, I like to wear a hat. And this looks really cute with a hat. Don't you love those layers? Very fun.
All right, so what did you guys think about the styling options? I think she does have enough length that you can do that. And I love the rooting. I don't think you see any permatease because of that rooting disguises it. She is a super cute razor flicked long shag. And I really do like this style a lot. This color, in my opinion, is amazing. I really, really pray, please Paula Young, make this color in some more styles because wow, this is beautiful. I would love to see this in Heidi and some of the longer ones. How about Misha? You guys know that Misha is my favorite. Misha would be gorgeous in this color. And I probably would wear her like all the time. I love it. It's really pretty. I love the chunky blonde highlights. I feel like this is definitely the kind of hair that looks like you go to the salon, you keep up your color, you keep up your style. It's not a shake and go and I'm out the door style. I want to just let you know that. But if you're willing to work with it and maybe do a little bit of product, it is so cute. I think it's really, really fun and kind of trendy, but also kind of a throwback to Friends. You know, don't you kind of feel like it's a little bit Jennifer Aniston? That's what my daughter would say. Oh, you're wearing your Jennifer Aniston wig today. Also, for those of you who like your bangs, you can easily trim bangs in her. It may just require you to use your little hot round brush just to sort of, you know, style your bangs once you cut the length off, because the length is giving us this curve, and I think if you cut that off you might lose that, so you'd have to add that back in. But certainly you could. It already has the layers in it, so I do think that bangs would be really cute in this style. I'm kind of just liking the look without having the bangs trimmed, but you know, I could also work with it and just sort of do a couple little bobby pins like this. And I don't think you miss the lace front. And I wanted to show you guys styling without taking out my bio hair. So I didn't take out any of my bio hair because I wanted you to see that you don't need it. Certainly, I did spray my hair before I put the wig on with the brown root spray. And this is a light brown, just so that you kind of see the shadow of it and it just looks like it's all yours. So I hope that you all enjoyed this look at Presley. She's a super cute new style from Paula Young, and I want to thank all of my subscribers. Thank you all so much for your well wishes and your prayers. I had to have eye injections again, and my right eye actually, but I flinched and I got a little red, but I'm doing so much better. But I've been missing you all, so I hope that you enjoy this video. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, and hey, press that bell so you're alerted when I upload new videos. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye-bye.
I thought it would be nice to give you guys a quick outside look. This is on my porch with the sun on the back side of the camera. It's a little bit overcast, as you can see in the window there, but I think you can really see the dimension of the color. The highlights and the lowlights are so well done. Have a great day, everyone.